Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
So what are we making today? How to make Protien and Antioxidants Loaded Tandoori Roasted Chana Charcoal and Spices Smoke Flavoured Dum Pulao. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Ignite the darkness of our assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity and true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. It all started with this extremely spicy tandoori roasted chana which was rejected by everyone in the family. It was too spicy. Therefore, I decided to do something with it. But what? So I took sela or biryani rice and into a bowl and soaked the rice for 3 to 4 hours. In the meantime, vegetable, 2 green chilies, onion, tomato, but try and not exceed the quantity. Now look at the tandoori spices after searing the chana. It was too spicy. Look at that spice. And time to taste. Now it's still too sharp. So to soften and wash the tandoori roasted chana of the spice. Stir a shade and let it sit for some time. Now strain the tandoori roasted chana of a spice drenched water. Look at that. That shows the amount of spice that was there in it. And I discarded this water. And yes, let's taste again. Now it's perfect. It can be used. Now rinse the sela or biryani rice for the pulao. That is what we are going to make with tandoori chana. Once done, the cooker comes on. Kachi ghani or cold pressed peanut oil and when the oil is hot, time to add roasted cumin. Let it sputter and now add sliced onions and stir well. Add chopped green chilies and again stir well. Now add tandoori roasted chana and once again stir well. And this is what it looks like so far. Stir well. Once done, add the tomatoes and let me show you again. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? Something very different. Now add the pre-soaked and rinsed sela or biryani rice and stir well to mix well. This is what it looks like at present. Now add Himalayan, rock or pink or any natural salt of your choice. Now roasted freshly grounded cumin powder, freshly grounded coriander powder, a touch of red chili powder and stir well. butter from any natural source, and that is double the amount of the rice that we have added. Time to taste and add correction if required, if any. Unbelievable taste. I tasted it twice to confirm. And now capture and allow to cook. And in the meantime, lemon from my kitchen gardens, one or more as per as your taste. I have taken one. Now switch off after the first whistle blows and allow the cooker to depressurize on its own. Do not force the steam out. Open the cooker once the cooker has depressurized completely. Look at that, it's beautiful. Now squeeze and add the lemon juice and serve the pulao if you wish. But if you wish to add the smoked and spices flavor or dum, the traditional type of dum, then cap shut the cooker again and place a charcoal to ignite on the edges. It should be well ignited, so you have to be patient. The sides have to be well ignited. You can turn and flip the charcoal, and once it glows red, place it in a bowl. Uncap the cooker. There, it is still steaming, and place the spices of choice on the charcoal. Pour some ghee or butter or oil, and as soon as it begins to smoke, place the bowl in the cooker and cap shut the cooker once again. Allow the smoke to be absorbed. Now wait patiently from 5 to 30 minutes depending upon the amount of pulao. Now remove the bowl and stir and mix well the tandoori roasted smoked dum chana pulao. What a flavor, what a fragrance. And now serve immediately and serve to all, and enjoy the tandoori roasted chana pulao with all.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.